The Milky Way Galaxy is a galaxy that our Earth, Sun, and solar system are a part of. It's a huge collection of stars, planets, gas, dust, and other space objects that are all held together by gravity. The Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe, but it's the one that is closest to us, and it's where we live. Learning about the Milky Way helps us understand our place in the universe and how the stars and planets around us came to be. The Milky Way is shaped like a spiral, which means it has a flat disk with arms that swirl outward, much like a pinwheel. From Earth, the Milky Way looks like a bright band of light across the night sky, especially when we look toward the center of the galaxy. This band is made up of billions of stars, and it's called the Milky Way's galactic plane. The light we see comes from the stars in the galaxy, and it can be hard to see clearly in cities with lots of lights. But in places with little light pollution, like in the countryside, the Milky Way looks stunning and very bright. There are about 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way, and each star can have its own planets, moons, and other objects orbiting it. Our sun is just one of those stars, and it's located about 27,000 light years from the center of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is so big that it takes light, traveling at nearly 300,000 kilometers per second, 100,000 years to travel across it. The Milky Way is also home to things like nebulae, clouds of gas and dust, black holes, and star clusters, all of which make it an amazing place to explore. The Milky Way is just one of many galaxies in the universe. In fact, there are billions of galaxies, each filled with billions of stars. The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest galaxy to the Milky Way, and it is on a path to collide with the Milky Way in about 4.5 billion years. But don't worry, this collision won't happen for a very long time, and scientists believe that instead of destroying the galaxies, the stars and other objects will simply pass through each other because space is so vast. The center of the Milky Way contains a supermassive black hole, which is a region in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. This black hole, called Sagittarius A*, has a mass that is millions of times greater than the Sun. While black holes are mysterious, they help scientists understand how galaxies like the Milky Way form and evolve over time. When we look at the night sky, we see only a small part of the Milky Way. The galaxy is so large that we can only see its glowing band from our position on Earth. But with powerful telescopes, scientists can study faraway stars, nebulae, and black holes in the galaxy, helping us learn more about how galaxies work and how our own solar system fits into this massive structure.